Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show or remove grid lines in Word. We will also clarify the question of whether you can adjust or print grid lines in Word. This is actually quite simple. To do this, we first open Microsoft Word, and as we can see I don't currently have any grid lines in my document. I now click on the View tab and in the Show group I find the grid lines. If I check the box I can show grid lines. If I uncheck the box, I can remove grid lines in Word. And now you already know the functions that Word has to offer for grid lines, because both adjusting and printing with grid lines is not possible in Microsoft Word. This function is only available in other Office applications such as Excel. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.